welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Destiny LaShawn. So today I'm doing a cooking video for you guys. I'm going to attempt to make Cajun pasta. I made pasta before but never did Cajun, but I'm going to show y'all the ingredients. So this is the spicy Mexican chipotle vegan sausage. I already washed off our onion. I washed off our green bell pepper. Also washed off our red bell pepper. I was gonna freaking put the pasta on while I'm cooking. Like, literally. I'm about to do it now, but yeah, panini noodles. Pan. I just found out the other day from my sister, y'all, that cooking with non-stick pan is not good. Like, it got more chemicals, so I would not recommend to cook with a non-stick pan. I would recommend to get a pan where stuff stick to. That's what the noodles is in, but this is like this is like a really good pan, but it's so much chemicals in non-stick pans, so I recommend y'all do not buy no non-stick pans. But if y'all cool with the chemicals, I'm just using it now because this is all with other stuff we got. The other stuff is in the dishwasher. I have to wash those, so I'm gonna use these for the time being. But right now I just put the pan on the stove. I'm about to use my olive oil to heat it up, and then we're gonna add the sausage in there. And the sausage is supposed to cook for 5 minutes. Then after that, we're gonna transfer it to a bowl or a plate. Then after that, we're gonna put our onions and our peppers and let them saute for 10 minutes, and we cool. But I'm finna stir this pasta again. But I don't feel like moving the camera like back and forth, so that's why y'all can't see me cook the noodles. Y'all should know how to cook noodles. It's pretty easy. Y'all should know how to cook sausage. It's pretty easy. Cooking is pretty easy. Like, my sister told me cooking is really easy, and it is. Like, shout out to her. She taught me how to cook, and also the internet taught me how to cook too. So like I've been cooking and cooking and cooking. Like my sister cooked for the first time in a long time, like over the weekend, like 2 days in a row. But I'm usually the chef around here, y'all, because my sister don't like to cook like that no more. She don't be feeling like cooking anymore. I understand, because she be working and coming home having to cook. I figure. So I'm the chef around here, big chef D. Anyways, all right, let me put this sausage on. The stove is not even quite hot yet. Like I didn't even hear the pan start to like sizzle. But I'm finna stir my noodles again. I'm also gonna use my white little spoon to for the sausage. I'm gonna use that. My voice starting to go out. I don't know why, but y'all, I'm so sorry about that. Like my freaking camera went dead, but I want to show y'all the food. So this is the pasta, this is the sausage, and then this is the sauce. It's kind of dark, but that's the sauce. Bread sticks. So I just washed my hands because I just finished dishes, but after that I washed my hands. So I'm gonna put my hand in the pasta part and just start putting it in the noodles. I'm gonna put the pasta inside the sauce. I should have put cold water on it because now the pasta is starting to stick together, and I'm just like, I wish that didn't happen, but it's cool. So I'm gonna start stirring it in there. This part is literally so little, y'all. Just adding it in here, and I'm trying to slowly stir because literally this pan just came off the stove. So it's like, yeah, like literally. This is good, y'all. This is my first time trying to make Cajun pasta, so it's like, hopefully it's good. I'm only gonna add a little bit. I think I cooked too much noodles, but add a little bit more to it. Add a little bit more to it. Hopefully this is how it look. Hopefully it's creamy and good, y'all. I'm so nervous, but not want to clean no dishes. Well, we clean the dishes that's of course not plastic, but we use paper plates. But I'm finna show y'all how my food look. I want y'all to rate it from a 1 to 10 how it look. I'm gonna tell y'all how it tastes. I'm gonna come back after I eat and tell y'all how it tastes. I should probably do a taste test right here. That make more sense, but this is how it looks, y'all. It looks so freaking good, y'all. I cannot. It looks good. Like, get into it. The garlic bread. But let's do a taste test. Yeah, we running out of plastic forks. Like, it's literally the last one. But let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna try to get a piece of sausage on there. Don't play with me. Ooh. Yeah, this is hot. Pure. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching me. Stay tuned for the next video that I'm dropping. But I love you guys.